Parents of nearly 150 children have 1 month to find a new daycare in Longview. Auberly Baptist Church off of East Loop 281 claims costs associated with ObamaCare are forcing them to close their Child Development Center doors. KLTV-7's Julia Janae spoke to the church's pastor and a parent who says their explanation isn't enough.
Pastor Greg Zachary says they had no other choice.
We looked at every option that we could consider.
After operating for 30 years, he says the cost burden of providing health insurance to their 30 full-time staff members is too great for the self-funded daycare.
We regret that the money is not sufficient that comes in through a daycare to provide for those needs.
Now parents like Jennifer Grigsby of the approximately 145 children here are left with an important search.
It's heartbreaking because we've known these people for so long and now we have to put our trust into new people.
And to know that legislation like ObamaCare is the given reason her children are being uprooted.
That's even harder to swallow. It's hard. There's the waiting list everywhere still, and a lot of schools aren't taking anybody until spring.
And with affordable health care affecting affordable child care, this church has no immediate plans to reopen the preschool in the future.
Minister of Business Administration has certainly been trying to follow that legislation closely. It just recently became apparent that we would cross that threshold, and that would cause the cost to be so excessive for those who need child care that it would not be feasible.
And when asked for numbers on exactly how much tuition would presumably have increased to.
I'd rather not get into the details of that, but it'd be significant.
And for this parent of 2, it's a significant loss for the community.
This is a big daycare. Lots of people come here.
Julia Janae, KLTV-7 News.
Zachary says though the preschool operated rent-free in their building, it has a separate staff and its own budget. The annual Auberly Baptist Church budget was not planned to fund the daycare.